Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Understanding Vector Databases. Storing and Retrieving AI Information. Imagine a library, but instead of books organized by title or author, books are organized by their content. A vector database does the same for AI information. It stores information as vectors, mathematical representations of meaning, allowing us to find similar information quickly, even if it's phrased differently. Think of a vector as a list of numbers describing something. For example, a vector could represent a sentence, with each number representing the importance of a specific word. Similar sentences will have similar vectors, allowing the database to find them easily. We use AI models, like sentence transformers, to convert text into vectors. This is like translating a book's plot summary into a numerical code that captures its essence. We'll see simple code examples using Python libraries like sentence transformers . Unlike traditional databases that store structured data, like tables, vector databases store these numerical vectors. Popular choices include Pinecone, Weaviate, and Milvus. We'll discuss their key features and how they differ. To find similar information, we input a new vector, representing a query. The database then compares this vector to all stored vectors, returning the closest matches. This is called similarity search. Think of finding books with similar plots. We'll show a practical example using Python and a vector database library. You'll learn how to insert vectors, perform similarity searches, and retrieve the associated data, like the original text. Vector databases are crucial for AI applications like recommendation systems, finding similar products, question answering, finding similar documents to answer a question, and semantic search, searching by meaning, not just keywords. We'll briefly touch upon more advanced concepts like filtering, indexing, and scaling vector databases for larger datasets. This will provide a solid foundation for further exploration. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.